Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Here's my strip. We got about an inch still left on the ground from the snowstorm, ice storm that we had. It's about to snow again this weekend, so I'm gonna take out the e-flite slow ultra stick for everyone. One of my favorite planes. Cheap, easy to fly, probably a good second plane for anyone, especially because it's cheap and it's easy to fly. It's got safety features. So let's take her up in the air. Wind's starting to kick up, but let's go. All right, check her out. I also have flaps on this, or flapper-ons, but let's take her up. Yeah, buddy. Love this plane. You can just throw this thing around all day long. It's called snow fun. Gotta tell you, with the snow though, trying to gauge your depth perception is a little difficult. Yeah, the wind is starting to pick up though. You can see it throwing it around. But full throttle throw.
ESC 10.49 volts.
All right, so much fun with this plane.
Landing flaps.
Whoop. It's because I put the flaps out.
Flaps up.
All right, guys. Low and slow. It's going around. Let's do a big loop. Not the best loop. Let's try it again. Wind's trying to play tricks on me. Again, not the best loop. Fly it upside down all day long. Look at that, guys. So much fun. Oh yeah. All right, let's try a little touch and go. Why not? I got the bigger tires on. These are not what came with it. Ever since I put these tires on, guys, I have never broken a landing gear. Now that I say that, watch me do it right now, but we don't think we're gonna do that. Skip it across the ground. Back up. Come right at us. Stall her out a little bit. Yeah, the wind's really
ESC 10.6 volts.
playing some tricks, but that's all right. She does it. She plays well in the wind, I think. Whoop, just slipped on the ground. See if we can do another touch and go. There we go.
ESC 10.22 volts.
Take her to the sky. Back down. There's your loop. Oh yeah. Back around.
ESC 10.1.
These are all in high rates, guys. With this plane, that's all I do. I see a plane, but it's way off and it's not gonna be a problem. Right at us. And back up. Yeah, buddy. Come back right around at us. Oh yeah. All rudder. Whoop, nope. Wind played tricks, all rudder. Come back down. Again, if you guys are playing in the snow or in cold, you guys gotta watch your battery because it's not gonna get the times you get in the summer. So I'm gonna take her for a landing and see what I'm looking at. Woohoo! I'm looking at 20%. I'm gonna take her up one more time because I'm having too much fun. I'm gonna come right at me.
1 minute.
And again, I have been on the throttle, so that's why I'm probably a little low I gotta take her in. I have 0%, so we're gonna take her in for the final approach because I have no battery life left. You don't want dead sticks. And look at, there it is. Again, guys, check this plane out. It's awesome. The Slow Ultra Stick by e-flite. Great little plane. If you like what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button. And again, thanks for watching.